Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional with extra puzzles or Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, October the 18th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Tectonic, very interested in this one, yes, and a binary puzzle. And I will solve first the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3553. 3553. Funny. 3553. Alright, before I start, let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always in a column, four ones. So wait, four O's, and four ones in this. Yeah, so the rest are here. We have four ones. Okay, let's get started. So here we have four ones. So the rest are O's. All right. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. Then double O. Here one, there one. Now we have four ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have four O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Between two ones comes an O. Then. We have here three O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have three ones in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Of course, between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then, where's the opening? The opening. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Do we need to compare? Yeah, we need to compare. I think compare the rows. Do we have? Yeah, here. Oh, not the same. Not the same. Where's the opening? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay. 3, no. 3, no. 4, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm stuck. Double 1 here. We have a double 1 here. Okay. Taking too long. Come on. How about this one? 1. This row and that row. Oh, 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 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, and I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and this should be a 1. Okay, so 4 O's. Okay, then how about this row? Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3 1s. I cannot place the 1 here because then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be an O. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3. So this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. Wow. With only one comparing what I didn't saw this earlier. And like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a tectonic one. Yes, tectonic with 4 stars and with 8 given numbers. First time with 8 given numbers. So see you later. Bye bye for now.